Once again, we're staying in our metalplate_002.dwg file. We're going to take a look now at creating a simple table style. Now, tables are a great way of putting data and tabulation into your AutoCAD drawings. And we're going to create a simple table style for our hole types in our metal plate. You can see that we've got a slotted hole. You can see that we've got obviously some regular circular holes in our metal plate as well. Just make sure you're in the Model tab for the moment, and make sure you're in the Annotate tab on the ribbon as well. So here's tables here. There's the tables panel. Click on the little arrow there like so. Table style. Now you can see we've got a default standard table style. Now we're not going to make the table style annotative or anything like that. We're just going to place this. It doesn't need to be scaled really. It's just a little hole type table that will go into our drawing. So we click on New. And the new style name will be Hole Types, like so. And we'll start with Standard. At the end of the day, it's the only one we've got. Click on Continue, and we've got to set some settings now. Now, you'll notice on this drop down here, we've got 3 types of cell style. We've got Title, Header, Data. Look at your preview, Title, Header, Data. So the title is the title of the table. Header is the column headings. Data is the information, the tabulation that goes into the table. So we'll select title first. And you'll notice that you can have a fill color, you can have an alignment and so on. You've got margins there. You can leave all of that as it is. It's the text one we need to go to. Now, if we go to the text style, we're going to utilize our DIMS model text style. So basically the text will then match any dimension annotation we've got on our drawings. Text height is 6. Make sure you set it by layer like that. Text angle 0, obviously horizontal. Borders, just leave them as they are for the moment. We're then going to go to the drop down here, go to header, and again go to the text tab. Text height this time. Remember, text style is DIMS model though. Text height will go with 5. Text color by layer, like so. And again, borders, we can leave them as they are. And then drop down again, we're going to go to data, like so. And this time we go to the text tab and the text style again, DIMS model. Now you'll notice with data, it's a bit weird actually, and I'll explain in a minute. Text height, I'm going to make that 4. And text color by layer. But if you go to the general one, you'll notice the alignment is top center, whereas the header and the title are middle center. Now, I've never understood why AutoCAD does that, but just in the general tab for your data, just make sure you change that to middle center so it all sits nicely in the table. And also you'll notice that the type of text is data. It's not labels this time, it's data, because you're taking that data from the drawing perhaps and putting it into the table. So we now have our new hole types table style. So we'll click on OK. There's hole types, select it, set it as the current style by clicking on set current and close. And you'll notice now in the tables panel, hole types is our current table style. There's only 2 to choose from, hole types or standard. Make sure you select hole types. In the next video, we'll place our hole types table and I'll show you how to occupy the table with data.